Head south on Burwood Avenue.
Are we in the right neighborhood, good sir? Are we in the right neighborhood, sir? No. What would you say we are? What neighborhood would you say we are in?
Scott collapsed the faces.
Are we in the wrong neighborhood?
Everyone feels the need to ruin.
Help me!
No!